Here is a Hunter Original 36-inch ceiling fan that I got from Nathaniel Girding back at Fanimation. The fan that was here originally before this one was a Newtone Veranda Deluxe. That'll be going to Brian Peterson this coming Fanimation trip, hopefully. This is a 2-speed model. I don't think they ever made these in 3. The blade arms are Universal Series or Homestead. That's the name. They're Homestead blades and blade arms. And I don't know what's going on up there for the down rod. I think that's jerry-rigged. But I have it on a ball and socket mount because I don't have the correct mounting hardware. So it is a bit hummy. But with that being said, we'll start off on low, I believe. Yeah. Nice running fan. We never use it. We never use the kitchen fans. Just because Mom doesn't want dust in the food. This is about a medium speed for most 42-inch fan. For about a 42-inch fan, this would be about a medium speed. But this is a 36-inch, which is still about a medium speed. Or really, really fast low. Like in this state right now. Alright, we'll go to high. Now this fan hauls ass. Okay, we'll go off. When I got this, it came from a Habitat store and they drained all the oil out of it, so I had to put brand new oil in it. And so it runs good. It was seized up too. I don't know how good the lighting is. I can get a little bit of shine out of it. Pull chain's a little stiff on the light kit, but I'm not worried about it because the light's always on. I mean, it is kitchen. Now, before I even started installing any fans here, all it was right here was just like a tit light, boob light, whatever you call it. Like, it was the same exact light as this. Junk. But, yeah, that's it, and until next time.